Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ken, and today we're gonna be talking about another way to spy on Facebook pages. Well, this platform is just launched by Facebook. I think not so long ago. Don't know when, but I just get to know about it. So now here I am sharing with you. So with this page you get to see all the ads that people is running. For example, competitor, what ads they're gonna run, and I have the first video of it here about how to spy a competitor. You can check the description box below, and let's jump right into it. We're going to be talking about Facebook Ad Library. I think this is just launched recently, and this ad library provides advertising transparency by offering a comprehensive searchable collection of all ads currently running from across Facebook products, whether in Instagram or banner ads or anything. So they have you can view it everywhere. As mentioned in my previous first video for the spy your competitor video, I shown that you can able to go to Facebook to check what is the ads that's currently running by the pages, but this is easier to see, so I'll show you in a while. And it contains data on every active and inactive ad related to politics or issues of national importance. Now when you have a Facebook page, a Facebook ad account, they will, before you run the ads, they will actually ask you whether is your business related to politics or any other issues of national importance. And most of the time I take no, because the business that I run or I help run does not is not involved in this. I think it was here because of what happened with Mark Zuckerberg last year, where he's being called to Senate, and they want to know that whatever ads are running, whether they are related to politics or none related to politics. So you can just Facebook ad library. Just search here, you can see about ad library. Last time, if you again as I mentioned, if you check my previous spy video, you will see that you can go to individual page to check, but now you can see it much easier. So you get to view all the active ads. You're able to sort them and things like that. So this is a note about it. So this ad library is available for everyone, so everyone can use it. Doesn't matter whether you are in Facebook or not, and it's searchable. You get to search what kind of page as well. So for example, you go to the ad library. This is the page now. Let me go click here. This is the short form of it. I'll put the link down below in the description. But apparently you'll detect your country. That's why they put my country as Malaysia. Okay. So it is to provide transparency. There. So I'll go on to search from Russell Brunson. So you get to see all the pages that connected to Russell Brunson. Let's click on it. And there. You get to see the page transparency, when the page is created, who manages it, the spending by the ads. Okay, this one you won't be able to see. You get to view whether it is normal ads or political, which is not. There. You get to see it runs from where. Oh, so he did make some changes. Started running on March 28. 26, 22. Yeah, all these are new. Especially this one. Then you get to see the date that's running too. Not bad. You can see, it's the same video but different copy. Wow, you get to even see it's launched on when? March, February, January, November. So they only show active ads. Yeah, this ads is pretty funny. Yeah, you get to sort by country as usual, whether active ads or inactive ads, and you got to go deeper to see ad details. But anyway, this information is available to you. It's much easier to see compared to when you go to page and then go to info and ads and search one by one. So you can have everything here. If you know, for example, you want to go fitness, so you just type fitness. Let's see what come out. Or entrepreneur. I want to see what kind of ads they are running. Entrepreneur. Okay, let's see if they got run any ads. Oh, they're not running any ads in Malaysia. Maybe United States. They don't run ads. Not bad. There. Founder is also another entrepreneur page where they do a lot of they sell a lot of courses as well. They have a like collection of courses where they sell, I think, something like masterclass and things like that. Yep, that's it. Hope that this sharing will be helpful to you. I put the link down there at the description box as well, so you can click on it and then just go and have a look. And it's pretty interesting because it's easier now to spy other people. I was hoping there'll be more feature coming soon, but I think this is good enough for now. So if you do like what I share, do like my video and subscribe to my channel. Talk to you next time. Bye bye.